Hello, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes.
So my name is Wojciech. I work at the University of Cambridge. I'm the infrastructure lead there for research computing. And I'll be talking about our phase 2 project. And it was about relating secure federated Kubernetes storage for TRX. So this is the main aim of the project. We will be able to explore and evaluate the federated secure storage solutions. If we want to enable actually researchers to make use of the national research infrastructure. So in Cambridge, we actually host NCR, as you found out this morning, and also AI research resource. And we really want to make sure that our UK research community can use this effectively, efficiently, and securely. And in this phase 2 project, we focus on TRE specifically, but this solution actually can be applied to pretty much any type of Kubernetes storage. So our key objectives are to do exploration and evaluation of technological solutions. So we want to create fully automated solution where the institutions can access national infrastructure and then execute provision of storage, and then researchers don't have to be involved at all. They can just use it. We'll look at open source technologies throughout. We want to upgrade the key ownership management. So we don't want to be involved in managing secrets. We want that to delegate that to the institutions, and they will manage that. And then we also need to make sure that our solution is fully compliant. And we'll be looking at compliance with ISO 27701 standard, cyber assessment framework, and also the SATRE guidance for TREs. And a big part of our project is also to drive adoption and knowledge transfer across the community. We're focusing at the moment on TREs, but yeah, it will be also engaging with non-TRE projects as well, if there is interest in that. So this is our technical evaluation and implementation part. So we're looking at the Python framework for creating operators to create an operator for the Kubernetes storage. We're also going to use LUKS encryption, and we're looking at HashiCorp and also OpenBOW for key management. And because we use OpenStack in Cambridge, we're actually going to use or we'll be implementing CRD operator for OpenStack Cinder storage. And another part of the project will be to look at the Vault integration and federated access and key management. So we don't have to be involved in that. So the operators of the institutions that want to consume our infrastructure, they can actually manage and create those secrets, and we can then share responsibility for the security of the whole solution. This is the work that we have done so far. So we started in December, so kind of halfway through, because it's a shorter project. So in 7 months, I think we've got to deliver something. So we started in December. It was a quick month, to be honest. But we actually managed to get some work done, because we already been working on this for our own needs. So we kind of hit the ground running. And we have a prototype operator. We developed this using the POP framework, and we automated that operator. Basically, automated creation of the block storage using Cinder, and then we successfully integrated that with that OpenStack's Cinder CSI driver, and got the custom definition results. Oh. Microphones play up. We also are working now on the operators orchestration and using Latin. Keep breaking them, I think. And then we're doing some initial testing now, and we're doing testing in Cambridge, but we also have a number of partners. I'll talk about them in a moment, and they will be also helping us with testing this solution. And then our next phase now is to do the Vault integration. And from April, we'll start work on governance features. So we're looking at the ISO and the Subtran path work. So what we try to do actually produce template and gap analysis templates for those frameworks. So it can be easily basically reused for any institution. So when they need to meet the compliance requirement, they'll just get templates and map it at whatever framework they're using. And then at the end, also, we'll do some reports. We also try to actually do a workshop, but we know there's a lot of workshops for all the projects. So we try to actually do one. We just attach ourselves to an existing workshop for maybe phase 1 project. So we'll make it easier for people to actually logistically attend those. So we'll look into that, and it'll be announced at some point. So for key benefits and impact, so one of the key benefits is transparent and seamless creation of storage for users and researchers who don't need to do anything. And that storage will meet the compliance requirements. It will be basically policy enforced. So encryption will be enabled straight away by default. And the TRE operators can actually manage that encryption, which is really the important part of that project. So we delegate that and we enable federation of that encryption. And then it should be suitable for creating a national TRE federation. So that's our ambition. We've got actually some use cases. So I think Martin has a talk today about Fridge project, which I also I'm calling on that. And we would like to use that solution in the Fridge project. And yeah, I won't talk about Fridge because Martin will do that. So we can wait a couple of hours. And we also have a collaboration with Faros AI project with KCL. And KCL is also involved in this project. So we'll be exploring use of that solution there as well. And we'll be working with UK TRE community to make sure that this work is disseminated, advertised, and we'll be sharing the code that we're developing right now for this, and hopefully it will be useful. Project team. So I'm the lead, and I've got 3 colleagues: Sylvie, who's here somewhere, from UCL. Thomas, I'm not sure. Actually, I haven't seen Thomas, so maybe he's not here today. And Matt, I don't think he's here as well. Then we've got the project team members. Tunde, who's here, so he's actually the engineer behind a lot of work that has been already done. So if you're interested in technical aspects of that work, talk to Tunde, please, not me. And Paul Brown, who's not here, but he's our OpenStack guru and supporting us with this. And we've got Glyn and Jay. And we'll have actually another team member from UCL, but they will be allocating someone in April for the governance work. So that's when they join. That's all for me. Thank you.